Welcome. Let's talk about the electric parking brake, which uses an easy-to-reach switch instead of a lever or foot pedal, providing effortless operation for the driver. On most Lincoln vehicles, the switch is on the center console or to the left-hand side of the steering wheel on the lower part of the instrument panel. Pull the switch up to apply the brake. The red warning lamp flashes during operation and then steadily illuminates when the parking brake is applied. To disengage the electric parking brake, switch the ignition on. Press and hold down the brake pedal and push down on the switch. The red warning lamp turns off. You may hear a sound when the brake is engaging and disengaging. This is normal. You can apply the brake after the vehicle is turned off. The electric parking brake also will disengage automatically when you close the driver door, shift into gear, press the accelerator pedal, and pull away in a normal manner. Thank you for watching.